we're gonna go to Tumon Bay today. Oh my gosh. Alright, it's gonna be our first time going there. Okay, we're walking around Tumon right now, and that's Dusit Thani, and that's Dusit Beach Resort. That's where someone's walking. That's where I got quarantined for a week. We're just walking around right now.
She thinks she's so cool. She's so hot. Oh! Huh? Everybody saw that, right? She beat me. Super moles.
Right. Okay, we're going to the Tumon Bay now. I'm wearing his slippers. Okay. Are you okay, Mimo?
Not that guy. He's not having a good day.
Oh my gosh. Alright. Alright. We're almost there. Us. That's the umbrella you got, right? Like same as mine?
Yes.
Okay.
You got me juggling around masks and everything like that. That's like, what are you trying to get at me?
So we got our little setup here with our Starbucks chairs. Small chairs, like mini chairs.
They were well worth all the coffee I drank. All of it. All of it. Ugh. It wasn't
Snorkeling
double.
stuff. Alright. It's really nice here. Emma, look at that.
I know.
Wow.
Oh, who's winning?
Look at that.
Come on, catch up, you. Stop slacking. Joking. It's okay.
Let's go, Mama. Okay, we're ready to go. We're gonna do some snorkeling.
Huh?
Hot guy.
Oh, wait. Where? There, mirror? Perfect. There you go.
Alright, let's go.
You like it? Or do I sound funny because of this? Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, totally. The water's so warm.
Yeah, it's so warm.
Hey, you felt it? No, it's not that
Right
I
here.
can't. Oh. Yeah, you do that. And it sort of stopped right here, so.
Amor. Low battery.
I think picture time is only yeah, picture time.
We'll just take video later
Yeah.
when we get there. Alright. Okay, that's going to be like.
Huh?
We're gonna take a video. Okay, let's go. Alright, we just got done. Look at the beautiful sunset in the background. We're about to go back because we're planning to have like a dinner tonight. Maybe have some steak. And look at that moon in the background over there. We want to like enjoy the view tonight while eating or having some dinner in the rooftop.
Some wine.
And some wine. And we're now setting up and getting ready to leave. We'll get back to you later.
Yep.
People's cracked.
Huh?
We'll get back to you later.
Yep.